Dear student, in exercise 8.1, question number 3 is show that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. Given a quadrilateral and diagonal of a quadrilateral is given. ABCD is a quadrilateral and diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other. Diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle. Then it is a rhombus. So for proving a rhombus, first of all we should prove ABCD is a parallelogram. A parallelogram with all sides are equal, then it is a rhombus. So given term is diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle. So angle 1, 2, 3 and 4 are 90 degree. So the given part is OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. And all angles 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are 90 degree. It is given. And prove that ABCD is a rhombus. So first of all, since diagonals bisect each other, it is given, therefore it is a parallelogram. It is a property of parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other, so it is a parallelogram. Again we are proving it is rhombus. So ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite sides are parallel and equal. So AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Equation first. Again it is a rhombus. Opposite sides are equal. Again we should prove adjacent sides are equal. AB equal to BC. For proving the adjacent sides of a triangle, we are choosing the adjacent triangle and proving the congruence criteria of triangle AOB and BOC. So in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, OA equal to OC is given, diagonal bisect each other. Angle 1 equal to 2, both are 90 degree, it is also given. And OB equal to OB, common. So side angle side. Triangle AOB is congruent triangle BOC. AOB and BOC are congruent. And these triangles are congruent. So AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Reason CPCT. इसको ले लो इक्वेशन सेकंड. So from first and second. From first and second. These sides. ये तो opposite sides are equal in equation first. In equation second, adjacent sides are equal. So all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to D. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides are equal ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides are equal, so it is a rhombus. Hence, ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides are equal. So it is a rhombus. Next question is diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle A, then show that it bisect angle C. AC bisect angle C, ये प्रूव करना है. And next ABCD is a rhombus. So it is a parallelogram and we are proving it is a rhombus. So all sides are equal. But first part is AC bisect angle C. So this AC and bisect angle C, that is the angle 3 and 4. Angle 1 equal to 2 given है और 3 equal to 4 प्रूव करना है. तो given part है diagonal AC of a parallelogram ABCD bisect angle है. It is given, that is angle 1 equal to 2 is given and ABCD is a parallelogram. So angle 3 and 4 are equal. So AB and DC are parallel and AC is transversal. So angle 1 equal to 4. Reason alternate interior angle. And similarly 2 equal to 3 because AD and BC are parallel and AC is also transversal. And 1 and 2 are equal. So 3 and 4 is also equal. So we are starting AB is parallel to DC and AC is transversal. Therefore angle 1 equal to 4. Reason alternate interior angle. Equation first. Similarly we can prove 2 equal to 3. Angle 2 equal to 3 is the equation second. 1 equal to 4 and 2 equal to 3. These are the equation first and second. And angle 1 and 2 are equal, it is given. 1 equal to 2 ये given है. अब एंगल 1 की वैल्यू 4 और एंगल 2 की वैल्यू 3. कहाँ से? फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. सो एंगल 3 and 4 are equal. So AC bisect angle 3 and 4 are equal. Hence AC bisect angle C. ये प्रूव हो गया. Next one, that is the first part. Second part is ABCD is a rhombus. So for proving the rhombus, we should prove all sides are equal. So first of all, ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore opposite sides are parallel and equal. Since ABCD is a parallelogram and opposite sides of a parallelogram and opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, therefore AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC is the equation third. Next we are proving the adjacent sides. So here angle 1 and 3 are also equal. Why? Angle 1 equal to 2 is given and 2 equal to 3 in equation second. It is alternate interior angle. So 1 equal to 2 and 2 equal to 3. So angle 1 and 3. Since angle 1 equal to 2 and angle 2 equal to 3, it is that is the proved above in first part. Therefore angle 1 equal to 3. ये 1 और 3 क्या हो गया? Equal. Here angle 1 and 3 are equal. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to BC. Reason, sides opposite to equal angles or equal. That is the equation second. And from first and second. From first and second. That is the equation first and equation second. So from first and second, both sides are equal. Here all sides are equal and it is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a rhombus. Next question is question number 7. ABCD is a rhombus and show that diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. ABCD is a rhombus and diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. So first of all we should prove AC bisect angle A as well as angle C, and that is angle 1 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 4. So first of all ABCD is a rhombus. It is a given ABCD is a rhombus and we are proving AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. Here ABCD is a rhombus, so all sides are equal. So we are taking the two adjacent triangle AOB and DOA या AOD. In triangle AOB and triangle AOD. AOB and AOD, AB equal to AD, AB equal to AD या DA. Reason, sides of a rhombus. All sides are equal, so these two sides, OA equal to OA, common, and OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. Here AB equal to AD, OA equal to OA common, and OB equal to OD, diagonal bisect each other. So these are triple S. Triangle AOB is congruent triangle DOA या AOD. These two triangles are congruent, so angle 1 equal to 2. Reason, CPCD. That is the equation first. Angle 1 equal to 2, so AC bisect angle A. It is proved. Again, angle 1 equal to 2 is proved. and angle 1 equal to 4 and 2 equal to 3. Why? These are parallel and alternate interior. AB is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So angle 1 equal to 4. Reason? Alternate interior angles. Similarly, AD is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. So similarly, angle 2 equal to 3. Same alternate interior angle. So these are the angle 1 and 2. We are taking the equation second. Put the value of angle 1 and 2 in equation first. So from the equation first and second, इक्वेशन सेकंड से वैल्यू लेके हम फर्स्ट में प्रूव कर देंगे. वन किस पुट करेंगे तो 1 इक्वल टू 4 and 2 equal to 3. So 3 and 4 are equal. So from equation first and second, एंगल 1 की वैल्यू 4 पुट कर लो और 2 की वैल्यू 3. सो एंगल 3 इक्वल टू 4, angle 3 equal to 4. So angle 1 equal to 2 and 3 equal to 4. So hence AC bisects angle A as well as angle C. Next question is question number 8. ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. So ABCD is a rectangle in which diagonal AC bisect angle A as well as angle C. यहाँ तक given है. Show that ABCD is a square. इसको क्या प्रूव करना? ABCD is a square. A rectangle is given and we are proving the square. And diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle B. ये प्रूव करना है. So first of all, ABCD is a rectangle and opposite sides are parallel and equal. So opposite side तो हो गए equal. All the angles are right angle. And we are proving ABCD is a square. अब square प्रूव करना है तो square के लिए all sides are equal. So for proving the all sides are equal, we are taking the adjacent sides. So first of all, ABCD is a rectangle. Therefore, AB equal to DC and AD equal to BC. Opposite sides are equal. Again, we are proving the adjacent sides. अब adjacent side के लिए एंगल AC bisect एंगल है as well as एंगल C. ये पूरा एंगल 90 है, ये भी 90 है, तो इसका हाफ ले लेंगे 45. Since AC bisect एंगल A as well as एंगल C, therefore एंगल A equal to C. एंगल A और एंगल C इक्वल है and half of एंगल A equal to half of एंगल C. And both the angles are 90 degree and half of the angle is 45 degree. So these angles are equal, angle 1 and 2. So half of A is angle 1 equal to angle 2. So in triangle ABC, angle 1 and 2 are equal. In triangle ABC, angle 1 equal to 2 So AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. Reason, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So all sides are equal. The equation second from first and second. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to D. So it is a square. So first part is proved. Again, second part, diagonal BD bisect angle B as well as angle D. The diagonal BD bisect angle B, angle 3 equal to 4 and 5 equal to 6. ये प्रूव करना. So for proving the angle 3 equal to 4, so all the angles are right angle. So taking the triangle AOB and BOC for the second part के लिए, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AOB and BOC. First, OA equal to OC, OA equal to OC, diagonal bisect each other because it is a rectangle. So that is given. OB equal to OB, common. OB equal to OB, common. And AB equal to BC, sides of a square. So triple S, triangle AOB is congruent triangle BOC. These two triangles are congruent. So angle 3 equal to 4. Reason, CPCT. Similarly, angle 5 equal to 6. So diagonal BD bisects angle B as well as angle D.